you guys, what's up? We're back on the floor. We're back doing a sit down video because today we're gonna try out some hair, okay? Yes, we are. We're gonna try some hair because why not? My hair is growing. Can you guys tell? I told you I've been on a hair growing journey. Just trying not to put as much heat on it and trying to wash it with the right shampoos and not wash it so often. So it is growing a lot. The back always grows so much faster than the front. Right now it's tangly because I just got out of the car. So I'm going to brush it. And then we are going to try a halo extension today. If you don't know what a halo extension is, it's like a halo you sit down on your head. It is like fishing wire that you sit on your head, like around the crown of your head. Let me go up a little bit. Okay, to get my actual head in here. Okay, so this hair that I got is from Sassina Hair, and they sent this to me to try for you guys so you can see if you guys like it. So this is how it comes in a pink box like this. You open it up, and the hair comes in this really long bag. So I got the 20-inch. I wanted 16, but they didn't have 16 in the color that I chose. So I got 20-inch real human hair. I will have their website linked down below as well as my discount. It is code Melissa. All that will be linked down below in case you want to go get some. Don't buy it without using your discount because you can save a lot of money that way. So the hair comes in there, and then it also comes with the clip like this. I don't even know what you call this thing, but it's a clip. A comb with the rat tail pick on the end, which is important for pulling the hairs out around, and then your like care booklet. It does come with clips in case you want to clip the hair in instead, and then extra wire in case something happens and your wire breaks. So this is what the hair looks like. It is a bunch of wefts together. So this is like a lot of pieces like sewn together, and as you can see, if you can see, I'm pretty sure you can, there is this wire, which is the halo hanging off, which is like fishing wire, fishing line, whatever you want to call it, crafting wire. And you literally just sit this. It's supposed to be the easiest thing. Now the hardest part for me is blending my actual hair into extensions. So usually I will curl it and like let it have a wave so you can't tell, but literally all you do, and you can shape size this, like you see how it has extra coming out, so you can size this as long or short as you need. But here's all you do: watch and learn, but don't learn too much because I'm like not a professional. You literally just sit it on the crown of your head just like that. Isn't that beautiful? No, it ain't, because I ain't done. Hold on. Let me open up my little comb and show you guys how to use the comb as well. The comb also has their logo on it, so how cute is that? It sure does. So you would take the end of this comb. You don't have to take the end of a comb. You can take your fingers or anything you want. And you're just gonna pull all of the top pieces out so that it is covering that wire and that back piece, just like this. And you're just gonna pull all of that out. My hair parted kind of funny today, didn't it? And just comb it over so that you cannot see that in the back. That's it. That's literally all you do. Okay, so for me, I have short bottom pieces, and I obviously don't want that to show. So what I do, hold on, let me get this secure the hair. Mine might be too high up. I might need to lower it just a little bit. But anyways, I take these bottom pieces of short hair when I can find them. Hold on. Where you at? These, like this. All of these. I'm looking in the viewfinder, not a mirror, so please bear with me. But you can totally hide these little short pieces. All you do is take them and rubber band them together in the back. Got my little rubber band here on my thumb. Or you can braid it, or you can use a little clip back there, whatever, it's up to you. And then that's it, and then you can't see the bottom pieces. And so here's what I was talking about, like as far as the top, which honestly, let me back you up a little bit. This doesn't look too bad. Hello, camera. There we go. Trying to play me. So you see how long, like I don't really like it this long. I wanted it more like right here, but this is fine too if you want long hair. My hair is grown out from quarantine and everything, so it's not gonna match completely right now because I do have, like, I do need to go have my hair done again and all of that good stuff. But yeah, that's all you do. Literally, it's just sitting there on your head. That's literally all you do. That's it. And like I said, I think I need to drop mine down just a little bit. But anyways, if you take and curl these pieces, you know what I'm saying? Like they will totally like go in together. Let me pull some to the back so you guys can check out the back and the front. And again, you'll curl the back and get it wavy as well, so you can't see like where the short hair stops and starts, and it will blend right in. If this doesn't feel like completely secure to you, you can use bobby pins as well and just kind of put those in there where the wire is. But I wanted you to get really close if I can figure out. You can see my reflection right there. That you cannot see this wire. You cannot anywhere. You really can't. And I have really thin hair and it still covers all those wefts. Like you can't see them, other than this one sticking out because I need to drop it lower, but I'm just trying to do this right now for the video. Let me curl it really quick and like show you what I'm talking about, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I curled it a little bit, not a lot. I don't like really curly hair, so I think I need to put some toner on this to take some of the more yellow tone out, because my hair is more of a white than yellow, I think, or just at least less yellow than this. I'm not really good at this yet. I need to practice as far as blending my hair in. I think the front looks really good. By the way, any of the excess like fishing wire line stuff that you have, you just cut that right off. I just cut it off, so I just got it exactly where I needed it, and then I cut it off and you tie it so it doesn't come out and everything. But here's the back, and like I said, I'm not really good at blending because I'm not a hair person. I just need more practice, and you can totally make it work. But here's the back, and I hope I'm in frame because I honestly can't see. But if you will curl your hair and then like kind of weave it and blend it through these back pieces. If you have longer hair than I do, it'll be so much easier to blend it in. I hope that makes sense. Like if your hair is, you know, longer, like down to here, it's going to be easier to kind of intertwine it so that it looks like your natural hair. But it's really comfortable. Like, I mean, you know, I would probably secure it with a bobby pin just in case. If a huge breeze comes by, I don't know, it's not going to blow off, but I'm just saying, I would feel better about it if I secured it with a bobby pin. But yeah, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. Pretty impressed, because usually when I get hair, I'm excited to get it, and then when I get it, it's like, it's good, but it's like, meh, you know. And I wasn't sure about the halo. My friend Lacey has a halo that she told me, I don't think she uses it though, but she bought it and was telling me about it. And so when Sassina reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try a halo, I was like, heck yeah, I would love to try one. So I really do like it. If you're looking for something super simple, you don't have to worry about layering it, you don't have to worry about clipping it in each like row by row. This is just one piece of hair to either make you have longer hair, thicker hair, or both, because you can get short ones as well, just to thicken up your hair. If you have really thin hair and you just want to give it some bulk, you can get a short one, or you can get a long one and cut it, whatever you want to do. I don't trust myself enough to cut this. I don't think. I might try it because I want it a little shorter, but I think it looks not too bad. Not too bad. You could also pin up, you know, your hair, like, be cute. I don't think you can make a ponytail with this. You probably could if you, I don't know, I wouldn't make a ponytail, I don't think. But they have ponytails also. You can buy clip-ins, tape-ins, ponytails, and then the halos from it. So I'll leave all the information down below. Let me know what you think. I know the color doesn't match exactly, but just let me know what you think. Do I look stupid with long hair or nah? Or this long hair, do I look stupid? I don't know. Let me know. Love you guys. Don't forget to use code Melissa if you buy yourself some hair, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.